Hello everyone. Today I want to show you how to do the exercise on live worksheet. Very easy. Just click on the blue link and then you can see the live worksheet appear like this. Okay, let's try to do the first one. Click and say aloud. So what you have to do is click on the red button. For example, here, doll. If you say it correctly, the word will appear on the picture. Okay, let's try the second part. Rearrange the letters and write in correct spelling. Rearrange means susun. Then you have to write, tulis, in correct spelling. Okay, so this, you just click on the box here and write DOLL. Okay, when you have done all the questions, just click finish. Then click email my answer to my teacher. Write your full name. For example, your name Iman, group level, year 1, the name of your class, for example, year 1D. School subject, English. Okay, now here, you need to enter your teacher's email. So my email address is hazrisharina@gmail.com. Then click send. Your answers have been sent to your teacher. Good luck. Click OK. Alright, that's all for today. I know you can do better than this. This is just example 2/10. You can get your score once you have done it correctly, which is 10/10. Good luck!